Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. .eo TV. Thank you.
Hello, mega shoutout po sa inyo lahat at magandang hapon po, umaga po, hapon niya sa Pilipinas at magandang umaga naman dito sa shoutout po sa lahat ng mga
ganun pala dapat. Diba napakalapit?
His Lordess over Buddha, EDP, for ads and promotions for the Ever Commonwealth Mall, and his Saudi Emirata, Department Store Manager of Ever Commonwealth Mall, and they had Moses Marlon, Mr. Jeff Canas, Department of GMA, Governor Estevista of the Philippine Red Cross, NSC Chapter, and Dr. Naluka of Red Cross, Ernest Gwen, Camp of Philippine Red Cross, and our City Board of Directors, Senator Sevilla, and residents. Thank you very much for attending this event. This year marks the 28th anniversary of Jordan, a journey that started with compassionate heart of America, which was inspired by a time when she faced the dire need of blood. Through her vision, Saglit Lutong Buhay was born.